Hello, and this is Eva. Eva is an AI assistant that has the purpose of helping users multitask. Eva can do one of the three following functions: open an application, close an application, and search content on a web application. Eva is using natural language processing in order to extract the content of the command. You must tell Eva a wake word followed by a command. You must wait 1 second before telling Eva any command after giving it the wake word. Eva, listen. Open Chrome. Eva, listen. Open Settings. Eva, listen. Open Update and Security Settings. Eva, listen. Open Snip and Sketch. Eva can open multiple applications. You can find the applications that Eva can open in the instruction manual, and I will give it a glimpse of what application it can open. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Calculator, Paint, File Explorer, Gmail, Skype, Notepad, Task Manager, Calendar, Weather, Snip and Sketch, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneDrive, and the settings. In order for Eva to close applications, you must tell Eva the wake word followed by the command. Eva, listen. Close Opera. Eva, listen. Close Settings. The list of applications that Eva can close can be found in the instruction manual, but I will enumerate all of them now. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Calculator, Paint, Skype, Notepad, Calendar, Weather, Snip and Sketch, Settings, and Task Manager. The applications that are in the open list but not in the closed application list are not here because they are open in the browser. So in order to close those applications, you have to close the browser. In order for Eva to search content on web applications, you must tell Eva the wake word followed by the command. Eva, listen. Search robots on Google. Eva, listen. Search Formula 1 on Google News. Eva, listen. Search rally car replica on eBay. Eva, listen. Search black and red t-shirts on Amazon. Eva, listen. Search cyberpunk music on YouTube. Eva, listen. Search robots on Netflix. As you can see, Eva can search content on multiple web applications. I showed each and every application that Eva can search content on, but I will enumerate them in a moment. Eva can search content on Google News, Google Images, eBay, Netflix, Wikipedia, and Amazon. Eva, listen. Search cars on Google Images. Eva has a safety feature that prevents the accidental activation of Eva. If the user is using an application or doing something on the computer and it doesn't want to mute Eva and it wants to have Eva ready to take commands in any moment, the user has just to press the minimize button and Eva won't be activated. Eva, listen. Open Chrome. Eva, listen. Open Chrome. Eva, listen. Close Chrome. Eva, listen. Open Settings. In order to download Eva, go in the description section of this video and open the link to the GitHub repository attached in the description. Then click on Eva the MSI. The MSI stands for Microsoft Installer. Press download. For additional information related to Eva's functionality and setup and troubleshooting for the end user, go to the wiki section of the repository by clicking this wiki button and then navigate to user instructions and troubleshooting. Click here and you will be directed to the Wikipedia page related to this subject.